Sardinia, an island in Italy, is one of the 5 blue zones where people regularly live to 100 and beyond. The secret behind this remarkable longevity is largely attributed to their diet, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Sardinians enjoy a plant-based diet rich in legumes, grains, and vegetables, with minimal processed foods and moderate amounts of dairy, mainly from goats and sheep. Let's explore the foods that may help extend life in this unique region and understand why they are so beneficial. 1. Goat's milk and sheep's milk. One of the most distinctive elements of the Sardinian diet is their consumption of goat's and sheep's milk. These dairy products are not only rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential for maintaining bone health, but also packed with anti-inflammatory properties that may protect against cardiovascular disease and cancer. Research suggests that goat's milk is easier to digest than cow's milk and contains beneficial nutrients such as zinc and selenium, which help boost the immune system and promote healthy aging. A local favorite, pecorino cheese, made from sheep's milk, is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids due to the sheep's grass-fed diet. Pecorino is used sparingly, but adds flavor and nutritional value to Sardinian dishes, from pastas to soups. 2. Flatbread, carta di musica. Flatbreads are a staple in Sardinian cuisine, specifically carta di musica, a crisp, thin bread made from high-protein, low-gluten durum wheat. This bread is packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber, which provide a slow, steady release of energy and help regulate blood sugar levels. For centuries, Sardinian shepherds would carry this bread with them, as it has a long shelf life and is easy to transport. Another type of traditional flatbread is pane carasau, made using similar ingredients. The flatbreads in Sardinia are nutritious alternatives to the more processed, refined breads consumed in other parts of the world, making them an integral part of the Sardinian diet. 3. Barley. Barley is another key grain in Sardinia's diet, particularly for men, who often live to extraordinary ages. In fact, a study found that barley consumption was closely associated with longevity in Sardinia. Barley has a low glycemic index, meaning it helps to regulate blood sugar levels, and is high in fiber, magnesium, and protein. Traditionally, barley bread, known as orgiathu, was a favored choice among shepherds due to its durability and nutritional benefits. Barley's high fiber content helps in promoting digestive health and reducing the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes, further contributing to its longevity-enhancing properties. 4. Sourdough bread, modizosu. Sardinian sourdough bread, or modizosu, is another significant part of the local diet. This bread is made using natural fermentation processes, with lactobacilli bacteria instead of commercial yeast. The result is a bread that is not only easier to digest, but also has a lower glycemic index, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar and reduces the burden on the pancreas. Sardinian sourdough also has a mild, tangy flavor, which complements a wide variety of dishes. Sourdough fermentation breaks down the gluten and sugars in the bread, making it a more wholesome choice. This type of bread is linked to a lower risk of obesity, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses that can shorten life expectancy. 5. Fennel. Fennel, with its distinct licorice-like flavor, is a commonly used vegetable, herb, and spice in Sardinian cuisine. It is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, and is known for its diuretic properties, which help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The consumption of fennel in various forms, including raw, cooked, and in teas, is believed to contribute to the overall health and well-being of Sardinians. This versatile plant is also loaded with fiber, which supports digestive health and helps in maintaining a healthy weight, another factor contributing to the long lives of the island's residents. 6. Fava beans and chickpeas. Legumes, such as fava beans and chickpeas, are a primary source of protein in Sardinian diets. These nutrient-dense foods are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. In Sardinia, they are often cooked into stews or soups, providing a hearty and satisfying meal. Fava beans and chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein and help regulate blood sugar levels while promoting satiety, reducing the risk of overeating. Their high fiber content also supports a healthy digestive system. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, another staple of the Mediterranean diet, are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that becomes more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked. In Sardinia, tomatoes are often used in sauces and as toppings for bread and pasta dishes. The combination of tomatoes and olive oil, another key ingredient in Sardinian cuisine, enhances the absorption of these beneficial nutrients. Tomatoes are also a rich source of vitamin C and potassium, contributing to heart health and overall longevity. By consuming tomatoes regularly, Sardinians protect themselves against oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors linked to aging and chronic diseases. 8. Almonds. Almonds are regularly consumed in Sardinia, either on their own or in dishes and desserts. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a perfect snack for sustained energy. Almonds are also rich in magnesium, which helps regulate blood sugar and blood pressure. Studies have shown that people who include almonds in their diet are more likely to have a healthier weight and lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Almonds help reduce belly fat, which is linked to improved longevity and metabolic health. 9. Milk thistle. In Sardinia, locals drink milk thistle tea as a remedy to cleanse the liver. Milk thistle contains silimarine, an antioxidant that is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. Though more research is needed, early studies suggest that milk thistle may protect the liver from toxins and promote liver health, particularly in reducing the damage caused by alcohol and other harmful substances. This traditional remedy may also help in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of liver disease, making it a valuable addition to the Sardinian diet. 10. Cannonau wine. Cannonau, a type of red wine made from Grenache grapes, is a hallmark of Sardinian social gatherings. The residents of the island enjoy small amounts of this antioxidant-rich wine with their meals, and some researchers believe this practice may contribute to their long lives. Red wine contains resveratrol and other polyphenols, which are believed to support heart health by reducing inflammation and protecting against artery damage. Moderate wine consumption is a feature of the Mediterranean diet, and in Sardinia, the custom of drinking a few glasses of Cannonau daily, along with food, is considered a key to longevity. The Sardinian diet is a reflection of the Mediterranean way of life, focused on whole, natural foods and minimal processing. With its rich variety of vegetables, legumes, grains, and healthy fats, this diet provides the essential nutrients needed to support a long, healthy life. Sardinians not only benefit from these foods nutritionally, but also enjoy the social and emotional aspects of shared meals, which further contribute to their overall well-being. By adopting elements of the Sardinian diet into our own lives, we may not only improve our health, but also extend our years of vitality. The focus on plant-based foods, moderate alcohol consumption, and daily physical activity provides a blueprint for anyone looking to live longer and healthier.